Hey everyone, in today's video, I talked to you about one of my favorite books by Paolo Coelho. It's called Warrior of Light, a Manual. Stick around. My name is Marie Melissa, and I'm an NLP life-changing coach. On this channel, you'll get a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to change your life for the better using NLP. This book is one of my all-time favorite books. I've had it for maybe 15 years. So I bought it when I was starting to get into self-development. In the book, there's a whole bunch of little text. As you can see, each page is a different little text, and you can get insights about Paolo Coelho's humanist philosophy. The way that I used the book is that when I needed help with some sort of issue I was having, when I was having a bad day, I'd take the book out, I'd open it to a page, and then I'd read the story, the little bit of text. If it made sense to me for my situation right now, and I contemplated how it was going to help me. If it didn't help me, well, I just flipped to another page, read the story again, and did that until I found a story that made sense for me now. So that's what I did for my situation that I'm in right now. Here's what I came up with today. A warrior of light knows that certain moments repeat themselves. He often finds himself faced by the same problems and situations, and seeing these difficult situations return, he grows depressed, thinking that he is incapable of making any progress in life. I've been through all this before, he says to his heart. Yes, you have been through all this before, replies his heart, but you have never been beyond it. Then the warrior realizes that these repeated experiences have but one aim, to teach him what he does not want to learn. Interesting. So this one made a lot of sense for me in a situation I'm having right now. And I don't want to really go into the situation particularly, but after reading it, I thought about what can this situation be teaching me? It's happened several times before, and it comes back and it comes back, and it's a little bit frustrating, just like it says in the text. What about you? Does this story make sense to you? If it does, write down in the comments below, how does it make sense to you? Also, if you like this little story, go ahead and buy the book and see how it can help you over the next few weeks or the next few months. And no, this is not a sponsored video. It's just a great book and I thought I should share. Montreal people, I have a couple of events coming up that I'm super excited about. Here they are right now. The links are down below to register through Eventbrite. I hope to see you there. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you next Friday for a new video. Bye-bye.